మీరు చూడబోయే వీడియోలో స్టూడెంట్ టీచర్ ఒక సంభాషణ ఉంటుంది. ద కాన్వర్జేషన్ బిట్వీన్ అ స్టూడెంట్ అండ్ ఎ టీచర్ at the school, where the student is giving the reason for his late to the school. So let's get started. Why are you late today? I had gone to the hospital, sir. Why had you gone there? I had gone to get medicine for my father. How many patients were there? There were about 20 patients waiting for the doctor. Did your father also go with you? My father did not go with me. How is your father now? He is improving, sir. How do you come to school? I come to school on foot. Hello viewers, thank you so much. Thank you very much for your subscriptions. Recently we have crossed 100 subscribers. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ఎంకరేజింగ్ అస్. ఇలాగే మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఇంకా వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి చెప్పి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి.